Crime is one of the biggest problems in human societies. Although some places are far more dangerous than others, crime happens everywhere. Those who break the law can be skilled at evading detection, which means crimes are not easy to solve. Detectives sometimes spend years on a case, investigating many suspects, arresting people on suspicion of having been involved, only to close the case without ever charging anyone with having committed the crime. But solving crimes isn't the only challenge. Criminologists try to understand why people commit crimes in the first place. Is it because of poverty, the negative influence of others, a lack of direction from parents, or is there something within human nature which draws us to doing things we shouldn't do? Although it is difficult to find answers to these questions, criminologists work hard to help police officers think about who might have committed a crime and why, which often leads to people being prosecuted. Police officers are also helped by forensic scientists. Forensic science is the use of scientific methods in the investigation of a crime. Evidence gathered by a forensic scientist can then be used in court. The science of forensics began at the end of the 19th century, when fingerprints were first used by the police. Today, computer technology allows the police to create databases. These store information on fingerprints and DNA, allowing detectives to work more quickly when trying to solve crimes. Finding the person who committed the crime is hard enough, but once someone has been found guilty, there is another problem. How should they be punished? Is it better to sentence someone to 2 years in prison or to order them to do community service? After all, in prison, someone might not get the chance to learn how to become a productive member of society. Perhaps prison is the best punishment when a crime is serious, but what about for petty crimes, such as theft or vandalism? Of course, preventing crimes being committed is as important as finding the right punishment. Is increased surveillance the future of crime prevention? Technology is so advanced that people can be tracked by CCTV cameras in the street, by facial recognition software, and by their internet use. Should we monitor people in this way, if it means we can stop crime? Over the coming years, this is a question we will have to ask ourselves.